Test. Hello, test 1, 2. Sondra, you can talk.
Okay. Hi, my name's Sondra Gerber.
Hi, my name's Jason Gerber.
And we are the Gerbers.
I have no idea where that went, but it went there quickly. Go ahead.
I don't like that one.
Okay, I was dead on.
I wasn't.
Okay.
Let's do it again. Hi, I'm Sondra Gerber.
I was get out the birthday banner.
Stop. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Sondra Gerber.
Hi, I'm Jason Gerber. I'm married to you.
Yep. And together we run a sculpture business featuring my work. We live here in Omaha, Nebraska.
And we collect skateboards. Lots of skateboards.
Not me.
You collect plants. Lots of plants.
Okay, guilty. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2.
Hi, I'm Sondra Gerber.
Hi, I'm Jason Gerber. Okay.
Hi, I'm Sondra Gerber.
Nope. I will. Okay. 3, 2.
Hi, I'm Sondra Gerber.
Hi, I'm.
The heck?
Okay. I know who I am. I don't know who I am.
Okay. Hi, I'm Sondra Gerber. What is wrong with you? I can't have you in front of a camera. Okay.
Hold on. Can I talk? La 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 la. I can talk.
What are you saying?
Hello, I'm Jason Gerber. Or hi, I'm Jason Gerber. Not only were we partners in life, but we're partners in life. Okay, I'm good.
Hi, I'm Sondra Gerber.
I'm gesturing like that.
What?
Okay, I was in the middle of doing this. Okay.
Hi, I'm.
No. A little sweaty and red, I'm sure now. Cut.
No, I can do it.
I don't know if I can. Am I red?
No,
From laughing?
okay. The old man wheeze.
I'm gonna be a mess.
Okay.
Good Lord.
This is why it takes an hour for 1 minute of TV.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Sondra Gerber.
Hi, I'm Jason Gerber. Not only are we partners in life, we are partners with a sculpture company, Sondra Gerber Sculpture, here in Omaha, Nebraska.
I have been sculpting for a little over 20 years. I would love for you to take the time to look at some of the pieces we've made in the past.